So this is my palm kernel, which is my palm fruit. I've washed it. I just washed it out from this pot. It's very clean. So what I'm going to do now is to process it. So come along with me. So I've put it on fire to boil. I'm just going to let it boil for like up to 1 hour. And I'll come and check if it's soft. So the essence is when you boil it, this part, the skin will be able to come off easily. So I'm going to boil it for 1 hour. So guys, this is the part I'm using, which is the plastic blade. So if you detach it like this, so yeah, and then put it right inside. Yeah, then 3 spoons of this. See how it's gonna take it. So this is how it's looking. Now I'm going to pour hot water. I've already boiled the water. It's supposed to be warm because I can't dip my hand inside. I'm just going to pour it so that it will remove all my oil for me into here. And it is warm now. See if I can dip my hand inside. See the shell. I want to squeeze it. Although it's still hot. Oh. It's actually hot, so let me wait. Let me wait a bit. So I think it's warm enough to put my hand now. I can. I want to squeeze it like this. This is the shaft. You guys, I'm almost done. This is the shaft. So I want to pour it through a sieve now. This is a smaller sieve. It has tiny holes like this. So that's what I want to use. Oh, there's nobody to help me. So I have to pour it like this. This is the last batch. I don't know if you can see those tiny black things. You can see some of the fragments. So I'm going to boil it. I'm going to allow it to boil. Guys, this is how it looks now. See how thick it is. Let me show you. Sorry, I'm holding my two cameras, one with light and the actual camera. Let's see how thick it is. So you can use this to make soup and stew, but I'm going to use it to make ofakun, known to the Igbo culture in Nigeria. It's called banga stew. You put your proteins, the stock of your meat, and the stock of your proteins. You can put fish, you can put anything inside. See how rich looking it is. I've not even turned it into the bottle, so I just want it to cool down first. Then you can now add your crayfish with scent leaf. I'll make it and I'll show you how. But yeah, your banga paste is ready. Very thick. And this is the quantity we were able to get. Guys, there's no light in my house, so I said let me use my phone touchlight. If I don't make this video now, I just might forget. I'm going to put it in my freezer now.